65, speeding up the PCH, a hell of a ride. Boys, she's loud, boys. She's loud. Oh, she's so loud. Oh man, neighbors hate me. Look, that guy, sorry. That guy right there is just giving me a mean look, guys. Hilarious. Hilarious, guys. Oh. Alright, so today I'm going to do something a little different. Don't ask me what that is yet. But I'm trying to do something a little different today. I don't know. Let me shut the girl behind us. Alright. So finally got the exhaust installed, guys. I'm pretty stoked about it. As you can see, it's pretty loud. It's pretty loud, especially cold starts, and that's just a catback. It's not a header back or anything, but it's the nameless catback. And like I said in the previous video, I didn't get to do an install video just because like I was short on time and I was getting really impatient about getting it installed, you know. I just wanted to be installed right away because, I mean, I've had this car for quite some time now and I don't have any modifications done to it besides the side clear markers, which that doesn't really count as a modification, so. All right, boys. Just got done eating, you know what I'm saying? Oh, didn't eat very healthy though. Got that Taco Bueno. Oh, it's not good for you, but it'll do. It'll do. So I'm sorry I'm kind of like holding you guys weird, but kind of lost my windshield mount, so it's kind of gonna be driving like so. I need to stop and get my old girl some gas. I know that. So I've really been wanting to order something for my car. I don't know if I want to order like another exhaust part or something because it's just so expensive. I don't know if I want to order like a mid pipe, a front pipe, or I'm really thinking about, I want headers now, like unequal length headers. Comment down below what headers you think are the best. I've heard a lot of good things about Tomy, or however you pronounce it. Tomy. All right, boys. She's all juiced up. Oh. Ooh. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. All right, time to go get it inspected. So for you boys that don't know, I do live in Texas, so the mods are definitely legal here. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a DJ Phantom, the drone, because I live on the lake and stuff. That was a probably bad view, but I live on the lake, and I do go fishing. I do go like tubing and go out on the boat a lot. I think we get a drone. Comment down below if I should get one or I shouldn't. I just think it'd be really cool to give you all that kind of footage, like the overhead view and stuff. I know that'll be pretty sweet. Guys, I'll make a video on the top 5 things to do when you first get your BRZ. I'll do that, and I will say, if y'all haven't already done anything, I would definitely get an exhaust for your first modification. You can really drive your car better when you can actually hear the motor. Granny shifting, not double clutching. Oh, bumpy roads in Texas. Alright, boys. Finally got my car inspected. I think I earned a new subscriber by getting it inspected there. Green, green, green. Well, I'm already going over. So let's not hoon in town. Let's not hoon in town. As I already hoon in town. Oh man. So I haven't been doing very many videos, I know. I'm just not sure exactly what to do, so I'm gonna try to just do something like I did today. If y'all like today's video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like today's video, make sure and comment down below of what you'd like to see me start doing. I wish I could take y'all with me to work and show y'all a little bit of what it's like to be a car salesman, but unfortunately with the job I have and the managers I have, I'm not gonna be able to take my camera inside while I'm working. Maybe I can kind of get a little footage of before and after the show or something. But if you did like today's video, make sure and give it a thumbs up and comment down below of what you want to see me do next. As you can see, I'm gonna get my game on. Love this video, guys. I appreciate you guys' support. Like the video, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below. I'm telling you, Boost is coming soon. Boost is coming soon. Subscribe. Peace out, guys.
Back once again, sipping hand mixed with juice and gin. Bitches in, couple lady friends, counting Benjamins. Been a spin on them 20 twins, that Mercedes-Benz. Dividends, made a change of plans, well that all depends. Shadows my parolees, and I smoke that OG. Kush motherfuck the police, all my niggas rock gold teeth. So hood and we so street, sipping on that codeine.